G'day folks, I'm back and I'm mowing for Australia, and today I'm going to use two different mowing techniques, the standard mowing and catching and mulch mowing, and then I'll explain the pros and cons between the two. For these first couple of passes, I've got the catcher on the back collecting all of the grass clippings, a pretty standard mowing technique. The catcher has a fill indicator to tell me when it's full. For the next section, I'm going to use the mower in mulching mode. So it's off with the catcher, and then in goes the mulching plug, just in the back there like that. Beautiful. And we're ready to go. In mulching mode, the four blades finely chop up the clippings before throwing them onto the lawn, where they break down quickly, providing nutrients. They also give a protective, insulating layer for the soil that helps reduce water loss through evaporation, much the same as mulch on your garden beds. Mulch mowing is not advisable in very long grass because it clogs the mower and leaves too much waste. And neither is it a good idea to mulch mow if weed seeds are present, because they'll get spread throughout the lawn, creating a nightmare. To keep the mower clean, simply attach a standard garden hose to the deck wash plug. Turn on the mower and it'll clean itself. So there you go, after one mow with the two different techniques, you can't see much difference, which I suppose is a good thing. Now, if you're mulch mowing, just be careful because it can lead to quite a lot of thatch build-up. What a lot of people do is alternate between the two, catch, mulch, and so on. So there you go at your place.